Oh, how's the real estate market doing in Brooklyn, and specifically in Bay Ridge and Dyker Heights? This is Randy Reese of the Reese NYC team with the March Real Estate Update. We're going to focus in today on Southwest Brooklyn. We've got Bay Ridge and we've got Dyker Heights and Fort Hamilton also, but I'm an old school Brooklynite. I don't consider that a neighborhood. That's part of Bay Ridge. So, looking at townhouses only, median sale price for all of Brooklyn, $920,000 in the most recently reported month. So this is a March update, has February data, but the actual sales took place in December. It takes the city 2 years to get us the information. Otherwise, we would have them sooner, but we want to make sure we have complete data. There were 555 sales closed during the month of December. Let's take a look at the chart because $920,000 is a median sale price, and that means absolutely nothing without context. Half of the sales that month occurred at higher than $920,000, and the other half of the sales occurred below $920,000. So that is not an average, okay? That is a median sales price. As you can see, this chart goes back to January of 2014, and it's been a steadily rising uptrend. The most recent peak was in November at $930,000, and that is an all-time high for all of Brooklyn. Okay, we had 1 month of declining prices, December, not much to worry about. It's important to note that Brooklyn is a tale of two markets. Brownstone, Brooklyn, and the neighborhoods closest to Manhattan, they peaked around the summer of 2017. The lower price neighborhoods out along the southern stretches of Brooklyn, Mill Basin, Marine Park, Sheepshead Bay, those are the markets that have continued to be strong and are pulling up the median sale prices for the entire borough. But the more expensive neighborhoods, the higher price neighborhoods, have experienced weakness since the summer of 2017. July was the peak point for most markets. Let's take a look at individually. In Bay Ridge, excuse me, in Bay Ridge, $1,193,500 is the median sales price. That is down 3% from the prior month, and that is down just about 3% from the prior year also. There were 18 closed sales, which is a relatively busy month in Bay Ridge. That's up 38% from the prior month and up 6% from December of 2017. If we take a look at the chart in Bay Ridge, you can see that Bay Ridge acts more like one of the brownstone neighborhoods that are close to Manhattan, heading northward up to, let's say, Williamsburg. It topped out right here in July of 2017. That's what I was speaking of before. $1,387,000 is the median sale price back then. Since then, it's gone up and down. It tried to break out to a new peak here in May of last year. It did not make it. $1,351,000 was the highest median. We had a little bit of a sell-off. It tried again this past November, and it's basically going sideways. It's not falling out of bed by any stretch. It's still a strong market, but it is tougher to get sales off than it was previously. If you are a buyer, this is good for you. Prices are on a little bit of a sale. Let's take a look over at Dyker Heights, and here you can see the dichotomy of the two markets. Lower price market, $1,094,500 was the median sale price. Only down less than 1% from the prior month, but up 5% from 2017. That's different from Bay Ridge and most of the brownstone neighborhoods. There were 13 closed sales, which is a pretty strong showing. Let's take a look at the chart, and you can see this is a completely different chart. Here, from January of 2014, steadily rising all the way up until July of 2018. And then you had 2 months of declining prices into August and September. But since then, you've had 4 months. Look at this, almost straight across, very flat. Okay, the sellers are not able to get any steam here. There is, in my opinion, there is strong buying still coming into this market. A lot of it has to do with there's an influx of new money into Bensonhurst and most of the Southwest Brooklyn neighborhoods. Even further, going down further, as I said, Bensonhurst, Bath Beach, Gravesend, but Dyker Heights is seeing part of that. I do not expect big drops in prices here. There is buying power underneath the surface. If you are a buyer looking for a bargain, waiting for prices to drop, you may be waiting a long time. I don't know if you're going to find what you're looking for in the relatively short term. So that's basically it for Bay Ridge and Dyker Heights. I hope you'll tune in. I will say that if you would like a report like this for any neighborhood you want, in Brooklyn or in Manhattan, please let me know. I'm happy to provide it for you. The data in Manhattan is much more rich. There is a lot more metrics that we can follow than we can in Brooklyn. We also can do co-ops and condos. So just let me know. Happy to help. Until next time, Randy Reese signing off. Have a great day, everyone.